In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to emote on Xbox on Saitama Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to use any of the emotes that you have on Saitama Battlegrounds if you are playing on Xbox or even PlayStation. Keep in mind that as you can clearly notice, I am recording this video on my PC using a controller, but don't worry, I'm still gonna teach you how to properly get it to work. So if you are playing on Xbox or PlayStation, your UI is going to look similar to this one. So you will be able to pull down this little menu at the top by pressing down on the D-pad, and now you can browse through various options. In here, go over to the emote wheel, and now you will be able to use any of the emotes that you have by highlighting them from this window here. So what you have to do in order is open the emote wheel, and once it is open, you press B. So by pressing B once, it is going to close down the menu at the top, but you still have the emote wheel. Now you will have to press the right trigger down until your character performs an emote. This might take a while, but if you are able to get the timing down, you should be able to see the emote take place. So as you can see here, I'm now doing the dual request emote. Now, if you want to change this emote, to my knowledge, you will only be able to change the emote that is currently at the front of the wheel. So once again, you hold down the right trigger until an option is selected. Make sure that you don't press it all the way down. As you can see here, I just held it for a few seconds and now this option appeared. If I close down this top menu, I should be able to select that option there and now choose the emote that I want to change. So in this example, I changed it to crush. And now I should be able to perform this emote like this by pressing the right trigger. So it is extremely confusing, but you can do it. It just requires a little bit of practice, and as long as you pull down the UI at the top, you go ahead and you select the emote wheel option, you press B to close down the menu at the top, and then you try pressing the right trigger until an emote is performed. You should be able to see it go off like this. I hope I was able to help you on how to emote on Saitama Battlegrounds on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.